This honestly could be another 5 for $5. If I could just buy a box a week. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing another Stitch Fix. It looks like a whole lot of sweaters. I'm not mad at that. Start with this one. This is the Market & Spruce Delaney cotton textured cardigan. That is cute. That is really cute. Has the mixed patterns on the sleeves and the front. It's got 2 pockets in front. Super cute. That is really, really cute. This is the Market & Spruce Vreeland 1 pocket side knot knit top. This is cute, pretty full colors. Very cute. It's got the pocket in the front. Next, this is the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover. This is cute too. I like this. It's not too heavy. Very cute. All right, next. This is the Jocelyn, RD style Jocelyn cotton blend V-neck pullover. Oh, this is cute. Very cute. Oh my goodness. It's a little heavier than the tan one. And then last, which I'm really excited about, super cute. These are the Diba, D-I-B-A, Sophia Suede Booty in gray. These are really, really cute. I'm excited to try these on. So I will go try them on and we'll see what we think. All right, this top again is the Market & Spruce Vreeland 1 pocket side knot knit top in brown, size small, and it is $48. I think it's pretty cute. I should have tied the knot before I put the shirt on because I didn't do a really good job of it, but I think it's cute. I definitely think it's cute. I have on these jeans, came from my last Unoboxing box that I kept. The boots, I just tucked them into these pants. I really, really like the boots. They are the Diba Sophia suede boot in dark gray, $79. I think they're really cute. They've got the side zip, inside zipper, I should say. But I think they're really cute. And they're pretty comfortable. They're probably 3-inch heel. It's about all I can do anymore. So cute. I like this. I like the top. I like the boots. So I'll be back with the next one. Alrighty, this is the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover in beige, size small, $44. This is super cute. And this is long enough that I would wear this with leggings or jeans or whatever. But I think it's really cute. I'll show you a close-up of the texture. Also, I got this out of my last Rocksbox, and these earrings too came from Rocksbox. But here's kind of the texture of it, which this is really cute. I like this outfit. I'll be back with the next one. All right, this I like a lot. This is the RD style Jocelyn cotton blend V-neck pullover in navy, size small, $68. I am always drawn to navy sweaters. I like this a lot. I think it's really cute. It's got the V-neck. I like the sleeves. It has this side kind of scallop. This too I could wear with leggings because it's how long it is. It's long in the back. I think it's just really cute. Okay, finally, this is the Market & Spruce Delaney cotton textured cardigan. It says color white, size small, $68. I like this too. Just put a little t-shirt on underneath it, and I've got my straight leg jeans that I got in another box. And instead of tucking them into my boots, I put them over the boots. But this is really cute. I do like that it has 2 pockets. I like the mixed textures on it. There's the back. It's a good length. I like it. I had Sarah for the 2nd time, and she has done an amazing job again. So give me a second and we will do a really quick wrap up. This honestly could be another 5 for $5. If I could just buy a box a week, this could be another 5 for $5 because I really do. I like this. I think it's really cute. I love the fall colors. My favorite clothes are sweaters, jackets, scarves, and boots. I love this pink clover sweater. I love the navy sweater from Artie Style. I like this, and I love the boots. I think I'm keeping the boots. I'm pretty sure I'm keeping the boots. They're so cute, and they're very comfortable. And comfort is the most important thing in shoes for me. But I'm gonna have a really hard time trying to decide. But I know I'll keep the boots, and I may keep this, and I may keep this, but I'm not sure. I'll watch this back and see what I think, but let me know what y'all think. And that is it for this box. Another good box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.